Hello people and welcome to a fresh episode of Movie Talkies Weekend Show. I'm your host Pankari and this weekend I'll review Anurag Basu's Barfi. So let's take a look at what the film has to offer. Decades ago, Raj Kapoor had paid a tribute to Hollywood icon Charlie Chaplin in movies like Shri 420 and Avara. And now years later, grandson Ranbir Kapoor attempts the same with Barfi, and we must say that the apple has not fallen far from the tree. Ranbir's Murphy might be a deaf-mute young man, but a bichara he's not. In fact, Murphy is a cheeky rascal who charms you with his impish smile and makes you fall in love with him. Which does happen to Shruti, a young girl who comes to Darjeeling after her father is posted there. Murphy promptly falls in love with Shruti, played by Ileana D'Cruz, and even manages to woo her before his heart gets broken when she chooses family over love. However, unlike other film heroes who take up drinking or sulk and brood following a heartbreak, our Murphy bounces back with a bang and leads us to new adventures and newer pranks in the movie. And if you thought Ranbir is the only charm factor of the movie, you're mistaken. For this movie also has Priyanka Chopra, who has shed her sensuous aura like an old glove to go completely de-glam as Chilmil. Chopra's Chilmil might remind you of a newborn puppy, awkward, clumsy, and yet with the kind of innocence that will melt your heart in seconds. Last but not the least, South star Ileana D'Cruz as Shruti holds her own quite effectively too. If these three were not enough, Barfi also promises a glimpse at the old world charm of Kolkata and Darjeeling in the 70s. What works for this movie is the fact that director Anurag Basu is not trying to evoke sympathy for his characters. Murphy and Jilmil might be disabled, but they're so happy in their own worlds that you might end up envying them for the pleasures that they derive from small things in life. Be it a boat made from a piece of paper or a simple cycle ride through the foggy streets of Darjeeling. If that is not enough, you can surely laugh at the Chaplinesque sequences where Ranbir is chased through narrow streets by harassed cop played by Saurabh Shukla. What's more important, apart from comedy, drama and romance, Barfi also has a suspense angle which emerges in the second half of the movie and has all the elements of an interesting pot-boiler. So friends, do grab your tickets this weekend for Barfi's one delicacy you simply must not miss. We give this movie a rating of 4 stars. So that's all we have for you this week. I'll catch you next week with some more fresh reviews. We would love to hear from you, so do write to us in the comments below and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest Bollywood events, gossip and news. You can also follow us on Twitter and like us on Facebook. Until next time, this is me Pankari signing off.